Hi, I'm Josh Rheia with Rheia. We're an engineered air delivery solution that is truly revolutionizing the HVAC industry and the residential home market. Today, we're going to take a look at an installation on a Beazer home here in Indianapolis.
One of the benefits of the Rheia system is it's basically a plug and play kind of system. It snaps together. You don't have to go through a full trades curriculum in order to learn how to install it. So it helps the builder, it helps the HVAC contractor in an area where they'd like to put their skilled people into service and things that are more direct consumer related versus construction job site.
Rheia, at its core, provides a labor-efficient, price-competitive, quality solution while delivering on the homeowner's expectations.
What I really like about the Rheia system is the flexibility that it allows for other trades, the plumbing contractors, the electricians. The flexibility is a big plus for us in the building industry to allow everybody to work cohesively out here.
The Rheia solution brings ductwork and conditioned space by utilizing 2x4 walls, open web truss systems, or an I-joist system. With its flexible ductwork, it can be routed with ease. Universal snap-fit connections enable a quick installation and airtight connection without the need of mastic or tape. The Rheia engineered supply air system comprises less than 15 SKUs, including the 3-inch flexible duct. Rheia uses a home run technology that starts at the manifold, ending at each individual register. You can see our product is going to save construction costs, material costs, and in the end be a more energy efficient solution that adds value to your product, your customer, and the homeowner.